When you have a crowded scene project, it's so boring to find and select your favorite game objects every time from default hierarchy. This is where having quick hierarchy comes in handy. By these tools, you can have a customized hierarchy. So just active quick hierarchy panel and assign your favorite game objects. Now you can access them fast and easy, even on a maximized scene window without depending on the default hierarchy. Easy select, fast toggle, and fast focus on them. You can have separated lists in every scene, so don't worry to lose your list. Just load them with a click. Quick hierarchy keeps your list in every different scene itself. Make it easy with our tools.